Hello! Welcome to Punky Flute. Today I'm going to share with you something a bit more personal and talk about how I combat my endometriosis with my flute playing. Since I was about 12 years old, I've always had this pains in my stomach and also days that I just could not play the flute. No matter how I tried, I would be practicing, stoom. There were days that just didn't seem right. There were off days that I just couldn't play very well. And I got very frustrated and disappointed. And nobody could tell me what was wrong. I went to the doctors and everything, but it was just not identified. I noticed that my stomach felt really stuck. And in order to unstick it, I wanted to give it oxygen. So I used to just go around the house playing the flute, long notes, slow, long notes. And because it was a bit boring to do just scales going up and down, I would make up songs. I would do slow, nice melodies, really. And that was kind of like the beginning of my improvisation journey. Just by practicing flute improvisation for just a few minutes a day, not only that you are practicing deep breathing, but also you're transporting your mind to somewhere different, somewhere special that's just you. You wouldn't be thinking about the to-do list or the school pickup or anything. You'd just be zen. A bit like meditation, really. I recently went to Teddy Swim's concert and he was saying, use your pain, don't waste your pain. Embrace it and create something new. We can embrace the pain. I think he was talking about heartbreaks and all that, but we can literally embrace the pain and create something beautiful. So today's melody is going to be very simple. So even if you are a beginner and if you only know 3 notes on the flute, the first 3 notes, B, A and G, you are able to follow. And if the melody is too tricky for you today, you are welcome to start improvising from the first line. Let's have a go. Let's have a go. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next episode.